What's up, bud? This is FPV.com. Check out the Black Friday sales. Click the banner right here at the top, and you'll see all the sales. You can just click on these links and go right to gear that's on sale. Uh, Use the code Black Friday to save more. Almost everything here is like $2 or $3 or $4 off. Just keep clicking and adding T-Motors and all these badass t-shirts. Look, there's the new Fired Up shirt. Flowmaster, Joshua Bardwell, you're gonna burn something today. Build clean, fly dirty, breaking drones. Even Ken Heron made me do it. All of them on sale right now. FlyHighFPV.com. Black Friday. Also T-Motor. I am selling the shit out of some T-Motors this weekend. T-Motor F60s. These guys are badass titanium shafts, 22 7.5s, and I've got 3 different KVs all on sale. The F90s, these are good for a 7-inch quad, a 2806.5. Cine 66 for your Cine lifters. Put those on your Sicario. They're all on sale. T-Motor stacks. This is the F7H, F55 HD. Incredible stack. It'll run all the way up to a 7-inch quad. Pro HD. The F7 HD and the regular analog F7 and the mini F7, F45 stack. All this stuff is all on sale. The more you put in your cart, the more you're going to save. Fusion VRXs, all the Unify gear, the Unify video transmitters, all the most powerful, best video transmitter you can get for analog right there. Not the most powerful, but the best. This thing's built like a beefcake. It's sandwiched, so all the components are on the inside between the two boards, and then it's got a MMCX out the back, so everything's nice and protected and strong, and 1,000 milliwatts. Tiny little nano receiver or video transmitters, real small and lean ones for like race and other situations. These guys are full 800 milliwatts and only a couple of grams. And then I've got the combinations if you want the Crossfire built in with the 69s. This is the Tracer version and the Crossfire version. Both got 1,000 milliwatt VTXs. I've got more Crossfire TBS gear on sale. Receivers for both Crossfire and Tracer, plus the transmitters for Tracer and both Nano and Micro TX size. Crossfire Micro TX2, Crossfire Lite 2,000 milliwatt transmitter right there on sale. True RC antennas. Holy shit, boys, I'm running out of fucking air. This is all on sale. All the best antennas in the game. All of them. Matchsticks, patches, stubbies, the new X2 Airs, the FPV stubbies for the dual band systems, the older style X Air 2s, even my cheapest antennas, the VAS Extreme antenna and the Foxier Lollipops. These are normally 2 for 20 bucks. They're on sale 2 for $18. The best analog camera ever, 1500 milliwatt TVL Foxier T-Rex. Holy shit. My frames, my best frames are all on sale. Armattan Marmot. I've only got one of these left in stock, but Armattan swears they're sending me more. Get it while you can though, because it's on sale. The Apex frames from Impulse RC. Look at them all. Also all on sale. I've got all 3 varieties. I've even got spare arms and stuff in stock. Toolkits are also on sale. Grab your driver sets. Take care of all your driver needs. It's a 1.5, a 2.0, a 2.5, and an 8mm prop wrench all in one kit. All the batteries are on sale. You know it. 4 packs, 10 packs, 20 packs. Save a bunch of bucks. Save up to 60 or more bucks off if you buy 20 packs or more. You can just keep stacking too. Don't feel like just because you bought the 4 packs code you gotta stop at 4. You get 6 or 8 or 9. You'll save $1 off every one of them. Holy shit. The 6S 1300 greens, the 6S 1300 blacks, 1100 blacks, 4S 1500 blacks. Don't lose your shit, man. Make sure you got a Wi-Fi buzzer on your quad. Something that's self-powered so that when your battery comes disconnected, you don't just lose your shit in the field. Spend hours searching for it. I found my shit 5.5 feet deep in a swamp, underwater, because this thing beeping as loud as it can possibly beep. Chargers also all on sale. Every single one of them, 4 lanes, 2 lanes. This one already sold out, but I got the Hoda big boys right there. I've got the Stay High field charge pack, even the power supply. That's it though. Come and get it while you can, because it's going to sell out fast.